Welcome to SensaMarket. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to track the world's greatest institutional investors using our 13F filings dashboard. Whether you want to follow Warren Buffett's next move, see what Michael Burry is buying, or compare quarter-over-quarter shifts in any major fund, this is the tool that puts it all in one place. Let's dive in. When you land on the institutional filings, you're looking at a live feed of SEC 13F filings. The quarterly reports every institutional manager with over $100 million in assets is required to file. At the top, you'll see we're tracking over 5,000 institutional managers with 10+ years of historical data updated every quarter. Scroll down and you'll find the top institutional investors section featuring the biggest names in the game: Buffett at Berkshire, Druckenmiller at Duquesne, Burry at Scion, Ackman at Pershing Square. Each card shows the latest quarter, number of stocks, portfolio value, and filing date. If you're looking for a specific manager, scroll further down to the Browse by Name section. Here, you can jump straight to any letter of the alphabet, A through Z, plus a 0 to 9 option, to find any manager you're interested in. For the fastest route, use the search bar at the top. Just type the manager's name, let's say Bill Ackman, and you'll instantly see matching results. Let's walk through a full portfolio using Berkshire Hathaway Inc. as our example. Click into the profile and you'll land on Warren Buffett's complete institutional dashboard. At the top of the profile, you get the essentials at a glance. Berkshire is based in Omaha, Nebraska, with CIK number, most recent filing for Q4 2025, and a direct link to the SEC filing on SEC Govern. Below that, 4 key metrics: portfolio value, holdings, filing history, latest filing. Right below the metrics, you'll see the portfolio value over time chart. By default, it shows the last 5 years, but you can toggle between 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or all to see the full historical arc. The 10-year and all views are especially useful. You can see Berkshire's portfolio climb from around $104 billion in 2013 to over $363 billion at its peak, and back down to today's $274 billion. Great for spotting long-term trends. On the right, portfolio allocation. Pie view shows Apple at 22.6%, Amex at 20%, Bank of America and Coke right behind. Flip to list view for the full ranking with dollar values. Right below, sector allocation tells you the macro thesis: 34% finance, 23% electronic technology, 14% consumer staples. Same toggle, chart or list. The recent activity panel summarizes Q4 2025 in 4 numbers: 4 new positions added, 4 increased, 9 reduced, 3 exited. That's Buffett's most recent quarter in one breath. Now the main event, 13F filing history. Every quarterly filing, all 56 of them, with columns for quarter, total holdings, portfolio value, top positions, form type, date filed, and a direct SEC filing ID. Click any filing ID to jump straight to the source document. Filter by form type up top: all filings, standard 13F-HR reports, brand new holdings filings, or restatements when a fund corrects a prior report. One click, instant focus. Here's the power move. Check any 2 quarters. Let's pick Q4 and Q3 2025 and hit Compare Quarters. You land on a full comparison dashboard. Portfolio grew $6.8 billion, 4 new holdings, 4 positions increased, 9 reduced. The whole quarter summarized. Scroll down for the position-by-position breakdown. Every stock side by side. Apple. Buffett trimmed 1 million shares, down 4%, but the position still gained $1.3 billion in value. Chubb. He added nearly 3 million shares, position up 21%. You're reading conviction shifts in real time. Cut the noise with the filters. Changed only, increased, reduced, new, or exited. Want to see just what Buffett added to? Click Increased, 4 positions. Just what he cut? Reduced, 9 positions. Done. That's it. 5,000 managers, 10 years of history, every move tracked. Pick a fund, follow the smart money, and start trading with the same information the pros use. Head to SensaMarket and get started today.